A guy in his shop is back, and this is the final video of the Nunav Flash G drone unboxing and build. For its maiden voyage, we had some videos, and here you go, and let's see what happened on its maiden voyage. Okay, well, those are the videos there. We went up, hovered a little bit, flew off, crashed, and then hovered again and crashed. So that's as far as I went for the test flight. I did take it out a few other times since the initial flight there, and you know, I have a lot to learn. Now I've got things functioning, but just the maneuverability and just how much power there is in this little guy. I just need to practice. So right now my main goal is just to hover, move around a little bit, and then land. If I can do that, that's good. Now maybe after several hours, many hours of flight, I'll hopefully be able to do more than that. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to check out Nunav's website. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next project.